Hey YouTube, good morning. Hill Country Husker here. It's a beautiful Sunday morning in the Texas Hill Country. Appreciate you guys checking out my videos. Thanks for all the comments. Appreciate my subscribers. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. I'm going to do something today I don't normally do. I'm going to give a product review on a Worx Pegasus multifunction worktable and Sawhorse. It comes with quick clamps and holding pegs. Now I did do some online research before I went out and bought this worktable. I'll show it to you here in just a minute. Looked at Black & Decker Workmate. I think is one of the most well-known worktables, portable worktables out there. Keeter makes a brand, Craftsman, Skill also makes one, and I also looked at another Worx product, the Worx Sidekick. Some of the things that I liked about the Worx Pegasus, it's able to hold a heavy load. As a worktable, it can hold up to 300 pounds. As a Sawhorse, and it can be also used as a Sawhorse in conjunction with another one, it can hold up to 1,000 pounds. It's real lightweight to carry. It's only 25 pounds as a unit. It's made of molded ABS with steel supports, which is important. It comes with two custom integrated clamps that can stay on or they can come off, and they store easy on the side of it. And again, I'll show you here in just a minute. Also comes equipped with 4 clamp dogs, and you can also buy more. Don't cost that much. Worktable surface is 27 by 37 inches. Now this table can also be connected with similar tables, so you can make a bigger workspace. But anyway, let me break it out here and I'll show you what it looks like. Alright folks, here's what I'm talking about. This is what this unit looks like when it's folded up. Let me open it up and we'll start talking about it. Alright, here's that work surface I was telling you about. It's nice and sturdy. Of course, now this one's sturdy. I've been using it for a lot of different projects. But it does come with these clamps here. Get this here. This is that integrated clamp I was telling you about. Locks down like that. Works really good. Put your work material down there. Those dogs I was telling you about store down here on the underneath, and you can place these on the table like that and hold in your work material. Cutting that down onto it. Works fairly well. I do like this worktop. It does give you a lot of work surface. One thing I do wish that Worx would have incorporated in this would be a system, because Worx makes so many other different tools, saws and drills. It would have been nice if there is a way to incorporate those tools, so you can have maybe a table saw here with this workbench, or maybe you can have a drill press with one of their Worx battery powered drills. I think that would be a plus. The way you would connect other Worx tables together has these little rubber pieces that come out. You can just butt the other table up against it. It's got those areas here where you can connect them. Same thing here, has recessed spots, little pockets where you can put your parts. It also has measurements on it here, which you can use, both metric and standard. You see the standard there. Pretty handy little unit, and again, it's got the clamps on both sides. Get those to incorporate in. So you can use those. Use those dog clamps to hold your work material in there. Now I have improvised a tool, and I'll show you what that looks like. I had a need for a vise, and I don't have a shop here where I'm at right now, so I had to improvise something. I'll let you see what that looks like. Now, what I did with the little vise out of my shop that I used to have, just simply took and mounted it to this 2x4 piece that I had, just a small, maybe 10 inches in length, but secured that down there really good with some screws on the 4 locations, so it's on there pretty solid. Then you use those clamping dogs I was telling you about to hold it down, and then use this integrated clamp right here, tighten that down onto it. Real simple. That's tight. That's on there. So now I can use my vise for whatever I need to have a vise for, such as use it to hold lawnmower blades when I'm sharpening them, or a piece of wood or something if I'm going to be cutting on, or a pipe that I need to cut. I can just put it right down in there, and that works out really well. This is kind of like what I was talking about, where it would be nice if Worx would have a system that could be incorporated onto this work table. I really do like it. There is one downfall to it, and I'm going to talk about that next. Before I get into what I think is the downfall of this really nice portable workbench, I want to show you real quick how to collapse it. There's 2 orange little push buttons right there. You stand up and you push those, and then that will drop this leg and fold that up. Now, because I'm holding the camera here, I can't show you how that's done. I might try and put it down here and see if I can and demonstrate that for you. Button's right here. That comes right down. Something on the other side. Now, the one and only thing that I really don't like about this unit is that when it's like this, it opens up real easy. There's not really a good way to carry this, and what they recommend is that you reach over and you carry it, something like that. It's just kind of awkward. So what I found works best to keep this together, it would be nice if there was a clasp or something, some way to keep this together, but there's not. So what I did, I just went down to Lowe's and got just a old Blue Hawk bungee, I guess is what they're called. Throw this over. You can strap that together. Doesn't open up. And then now you can carry it. Move it around without the damn thing opening up on you and pinching your fingers. That's my solution, but it cost a couple bucks for a thing for that strap, so that's pretty easy and cheap solution for it. That's the only thing I have that I don't really like about the table. It's nice, compact, stores up easy. I think, what is that, 6-8 inches, so it's very narrow, very solid work table. Alright, YouTube, that's all I got today. Like I said, it's a beautiful day here today. Just want to come out in the garage. I apologize, it's such a mess out here, but got a new grill I bought for my son's birthday. Got it stored in here until I can get it over to his house. I got my wood chipper over here. I've been working on it, put new tires and did some welding work on it. But anyway, beside the point. It's just a messy garage. Appreciate you guys checking out the video. Hope you stayed to the end here. I do appreciate that. If you like it, give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. I do recommend this. Got this off of Amazon for about $120. I think it's worth every penny. I'll probably get another one. Can be used as a sawhorse. I don't know if I'd mention that to you or not, but move it over here so you can see it better. When it's set up like that, we can put you can fold it out with the without the tabletop up, and put 2x4s through there and use that as a sawhorse along with another one, obviously. Anyway, I like it. I'm gonna leave a link to it down below. Give me your comments. Give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe. You guys have a blessed day. Just my thoughts, Hill Country Husker.